I've got this Marble Ridge Farms Wagyu chuck eye steak. Is what this is. Most people don't eat a chuck eye steak, but these things are almost like a ribeye.
Where's the chuck eye from?
Well, right here, about the seventh bone is where the ribeye starts. The chuck eye is up here more.
Up on the top.
Yeah, towards the shoulder. So we've got beautiful marbling on our steaks. That's what we want. First thing, these are easy prep, easy on. All we do is dry rub them with our Bold and Beefy. It's a thick cut right here, so we can put enough on. I like to give it a little pat. People call it rub, should call it pat. All right, we can let that sit for 15, 20 minutes, whatever. Make sure our fire's ready. Ready? And it's ready. We're gonna do the reverse sear. So it's actually like a regular sear. We're gonna go ahead and get the grill as hot as you can. Put these on here and let them get a crisp going, let them get a lot of sizzle happening. And we're going to get that sear and that crunch where we want it. And then we're going to move them off onto the cooler side of the drum, let them sit there and bake for a little bit, and let them kind of slowly come up to temp.
91 in the middle, man. Still got a little bit.
We do that with these fattier steaks because it takes a little more to render out the fat, okay? So it's not gonna be tough. That fat's gonna break down. It's gonna be nice and tender and very juicy. Steaks done. 140 on this one, which is fine for these chuck eye steaks. It's okay to cook them a little bit more than you would like a strip loin or a regular ribeye or something like that. I like taking them a little bit farther. That way that fat has a chance to break down. We'll let it rest for about 5-10 minutes before we cut into it. And it should be just right.
Nice medium.
Nice medium. These chuck eyes have a stronger beef flavor. You know, all that fat content and flavor and everything is just gonna be maximized. It sure is tender. So there we go. We got juice flying out everywhere. You ready for the moment of truth?
That's pretty good. You did it.
Not bad for a bunch of rookies.